I'm attending this Board of Governors of ICGEB for the fourth time now, since Rwanda was a full member. And so far we are very happy to contribute to be in this family where research is advanced in this field of biotech and genetic engineering, because we all know that whatever we are doing, we need to look at homegrown solutions. And when we talk about sustainable food technology or biomanufacturing, we need to get into this kind of deep research, basic research and applied technology to be able to bring solutions to contemporary issues that different countries may have, including Rwanda. So, and this is a good platform when we meet people from different corners to discuss share experience, good practices, and learn from each other. So this is very good, and I'm really enjoying this gathering. Yeah, thank you.
I am here right in Cape Town for the 32nd Board of Governors meeting of the ICGEB. As Uganda, we are not yet member states of ICGEB, but I've come in as an observer. We've already written our letter of interest, expressing interest to join ICGEB, and just this morning, the board and the member states approved our request. This is beautiful for us as a country. I heard the pathogen economy. The pathogen economy is a secretariat in the office of the president, Uganda, that coordinates the ecosystem, that funds, that works on policies, that works on coordination of research and development for response tools to animal, plant, and human health. So here we talk about vaccines, we talk about diagnostics, and we talk about therapeutics. So early this year, when ICGEB came for the BiotechNet 2 conference in Uganda, they listened to what we do, and surely the work of ICGEB resonates with the work we do. So for Africa, for Uganda, as we take on our sovereignty in working on our response tools, ICGEB comes in as a very important partner. So we look forward to becoming full member states. We've already drafted our cabinet memorandum, and we shall be presenting this to cabinet in the very near future. Thank you.